welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try this little mini eyeshadow palette from NYX. It's the Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette. It looks really super nice. All these colors look amazing. I've already tried some of them out and let me tell you, you will not go wrong with this. Very super affordable for a great price, and it actually works. So this is amazing. I'm already telling you that I love it already. It's okay, why not? But we're going to jump into some swatches that I've done for the palette so you can get a good take, or kind of a good take, on what the eyeshadows may look like. Swatches are not always dependable, but I like to do them anyway, outside in the fresh air, so that way you can see them for yourself, so you don't look like a fool when you're going outside. Sometimes inside lighting doesn't really do it justice. You have to do outside lighting and see if it's actually your color and shade. You don't want to look crazy now. Also going to do a little mini eyeshadow tutorial on how awesome they look. Obviously awesome, I love it. Let's go jump into the swatches and the eyeshadow tutorial that I have ready for you. I'm going to do the swatches for the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, or should I say mini palette. I'm going to go through these and show you what the shades look like. First, we have this yellow toned shade, very nice and kind of sunshiny color, super light. I already used this one and it's kind of buildable, but it's more of a sheer tone of a yellow, just like that. The next one is this peach orange color. I really like that one a lot too. It's super bright, very tropical as well. I don't know why it's not so bright in the swatches right here, but let me try another brush. But it's super bright depending on the brush, I guess, that you use. This one is really nice. We have this orange warm tone. It's kind of a little bit pinkish. Not sure what to call that color, but that's what this one looks like. Goes really well with the peach color. Like, all three of these go really well together. It gives you a tropical sort of vibe with the look. Like you belong in the Bahamas on the beach sipping martinis. That's the look and feel that I get from those three colors. Like, you just belong on the beach somewhere. The next one I'm going to use is the red shade right here, and I'm excited to try that one out. I haven't tried these last three shades out, but I'm sure it will be pizzazz, like it will pop. Don't know why they're not popping on the swatches though. They're super bright when you wear them, not so much as a swatch. So swatches can fool you, that's for sure too. Not all swatches are good swatches. This is a nice purple shade right here. I like the tone of it. Super nice, very warm. All these have like a warm feel to them. I really like it a lot. That's a really nice purple shade. The last one is a gray tone. Not sure what I'm going to use that shade for though, but here it is. Looks kind of black, but it's not black, so it's fake black. It's fake. It's supposed to be gray, not black. Shows up black kind of right here. This eyeshadow palette is really small, but it's really good as well. Great for spring or summer. So I think it's like very great for that season. Very affordable price, so definitely check this one out. These are all the swatches from the Ultimate Edit NYX mini eyeshadow palette. I'm going to get started on my eyeshadow tutorial real quick here because it's super windy and my camera is trying to blow away like Mary Poppins. I might even blow away like Mary Poppins, and it's super bright out here. Tropical vibes. But first, as always, NYX Proof It Colorless Eyeshadow Primer. The best ever. I'm going to use that. I'm going to dab it like so and blend and pat it around the eyelid. And do the same for the under part as well. Dab and pat. Same thing for the other eye. So I opened up the palette and I'm going to use this yellow shade right here as my base highlight coat. I like to take care of two things at once, so I'm just going to apply it like so. It's very glittery and shimmery, so that should be really nice and sparkly for nice springtime days or summers, whichever one you prefer to wear it at. It's a very spring, summer shade. Not too dark, but enough. All around here. Do the same for the other side. I wish it wasn't windy today, but what are you gonna do? Okay, once we applied our base and highlight shade, we can move on to the lid shade. I'm going to use this lovely orange shade right here. Dip into that like so, and use that on the lid part and see how that goes. The one thing that I like about this palette is that there's not too much fallout from it. Like, you don't have to clean up too much, which is very nice. And this is a very subtle orange. It came out really super orange when I wore it the first time, so I'm kind of surprised that it's just so light. Trying to blend these two shades together. I want to take this kind of tan shade right here. I'm going to add that to the corner of my eye right here, just to give it a little pizzazz. Hi baby, are you Oreo or Poe? Oh, my Poe. Thank you for visiting, Poe. I love you. Poe's my sweet little man. So far so good. And blend the shades in together. They blend very nicely together, I think. I really like this. And I want to try something as well. I want to try putting some in the corner. So I think I'm going to use this red shade in here. Give it a little bit of definition. Hopefully not too much crazy definition, but enough, like just a little bit of color. Little tap here and there. Doesn't hurt anyone. You always have to be careful with doing the inner corners of your eye because that's where you can mess up a whole eye look. Believe me, I've messed up quite a few. I'm really happy that it's turning out real well, in my opinion. Like, you don't even know how happy I am right now. I'm like, this is life. Like, I'm happy that the corners actually came out good this time. You know from my other videos that corners always get messed up when I try to do something with the inner eye. And finally it looks okay, so I'm like, yes. I'm going to line my lids with the gel eyeliner from NYX. It's the best gel eyeliner ever. Make sure that you put the cap back on very promptly or it will dry out. That's a note because look at that one, it's kind of dried out. Make sure that the lid is really tight and secure. This is the final look using the Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette. My take on the mini palette is that it's an awesome product. There's not much fallout and you can easily wipe it off at the end of the night, which is amazing. This is a really good duplicate for the Urban Decay Heat palette or the new Maybelline palette that just came out. It has some of these same colors in it, but it's like maybe $10, $15. Not really sure the price, but this was only like $6 at Ulta, which is an amazing price for a great product. They have actually other colors as well, so I think if this is not your cup of tea, that you should check out something else from the line of little mini palettes. They're super cute and you can easily tuck them into anything. They're super compact. I really hope that you enjoyed my video on my review of the NYX Ultimate Edit palette. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, why not? It's free. And don't forget to press the notification bell. You'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday unless something happens. Who knows? Life happens, so no one's perfect, but I try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.